Okay. Hi friends. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the link below and subscribe now. Right now. Hi. It's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. If you haven't been over to the website yet, you should go over there and check it out. I've got a lot of really great DIY tutorials and articles up there too. So head on over there. The link is in the description below. So today, it's Saturday. It was supposed to be almost 70 degrees and sunny. It's not. That's why there is like a butt ton of light on me. It's the middle of the day. It's like lunchtime. And there's no sun. It's dark weather, man. Come on, spring. Come on, spring. I'm just ready to see some sunlight and have it not be 20 below, because in Minnesota, that's in the winter. If it's sunny, it's 20 below. Anywho, it's Saturday and I don't want to fix my hair. So the truth about my hair is I have cowlicks everywhere. See them? And I'm not fixing it. I love you guys, but it's Saturday. I'm not even putting makeup on. This is me. This is what happens if I don't get in the shower in the morning and like fix this every day. So I don't know. Try to feel it. Feel it. I'm feeling the wings. You wing your eyebrow, your mascara or eyeliner. I wing my hair. So anyway, wanted to talk to you today because I'm doing a couple more projects and getting ready for a big show. And somebody said, "What do you make a lamp out of? Anything?" Yeah, pretty much anything can be a lamp. So some of you know the OG. You've seen other videos that he's in. My dad, the old guy. That's what he thinks OG stands for. So we're gonna let him have that. The old guy is my electric guy. I don't like to play with electricity. He says I should learn because someday he's gonna die. That's what he tells me. He's been on the verge of death all my life, and I don't know. I don't think it's happening. He's too stubborn. But he said, "What are you gonna do when I'm not here anymore?" I said, "I'm gonna make my sister do it." She loves me, and she will, and she knows about electrical just like Dad does. So when we were growing up, she learned all about electrical stuff, and I learned all about building furniture. So she's got my back. I've got hers. So she'll be the one making my lamps for me. But just to prove that anything can actually be a lamp, I'm going to show you some of the lamps we've created over the last 3 years. So I think he thinks I'm insane at this point, my dad. I bring him things all the time and I'm like, guess what? This is going to be a lamp. Now, some of you may have seen the video, and if not, I'll put a link in the cards, where I had him create a lamp, a table lamp, from an outside lamp. Now, I had originally purchased this light because I thought it would look really cute on my mother-in-law's cabin. I got it for 50 cents at a garage sale, and she didn't see it. She was like, it wasn't her. It wasn't her style. So, hey, I'm out 50 cents. But being me, I'm not out 50 cents because I immediately brought it to Dad and I said, we're going to make a lamp out of it. Turned out super cute. That was already a light to begin with, so it wasn't a huge stretch of the imagination to take that and turn it into a table lamp. But there are other things that in the last few years I've made into lights that weren't lights to begin with. Let's look at this one right here. Yeah, this is the camera, and I had the OG wire it to shine light out where the bulb would be. It also shines light up so that the viewer on the top, when you look down, the light shines up as well. This is the second one of these that we've made, or that I've had him make. I say we because it's my vision, it's his work. This is the second camera light that I've made like this. The first one didn't have the up view, so they're not identical. I never want to make more than one of something because it's not, if you're buying something that's unique like that, you want it because it's unique. So I may make something similar like I've made this one, but it's not the same camera. It's not the same light bulb. We actually used a different, this is more of a halogen blue. You can see the blue light coming off of it. The other one had a very bright orange light that came out of it, sort of like an incandescent bulb. So they're not, you could put them right next to each other, you'd know they're not the same light. But the first one went to a photographer who was so super excited to get it. I'm guessing this one will also be sold. This one didn't have a particular customer in mind when I said let's do another one. So I'm sure though that it's going to be a photographer or a vintage camera enthusiast who's going to pick this one up as well. So yeah, so this is another one that we did. This is one the OG did, and when he said I have an idea for a lamp, oh, it just made my heart so happy that he's now thinking of things like like an old telephone as a lamp. But he took this one step further. So let me show you the side of this. So if you look at the side here, you see those two little ports right there? Those will charge your cell phone, your iPad. They're USB ports. He wired the phone, he completely gutted the phone, created a desk lamp that you can plug your devices into and charge them. Way to take it the extra step, OG. Love it. Super excited about this lamp, you guys. This was another lamp that he came up with. So once I got him started and he stopped seeing things as what they actually are, he came up with a few ideas of his own. This is another one that he's created. So this bubblegum machine, it's easy to go, let's drill a hole through the top and put a pipe down it and we've made a light. Oh no, not the OG. He took it a step further. Guess what this is also? Let's look at the bottom. Yeah, it's also a piggy bank. So I can see this in a little boy's room so easy, because he made it so that the little part that used to get the bubble gums out of still works, but it doesn't activate a mechanism, and it dumps the coins into the bottom of the machine so that you can use it as a bank and a lamp. So gosh, I'm so proud of him. I get like all giddy when he comes up with these ideas because it's clever. And he went to the Dollar Tree and got these little beads that are in the top. They're just little plastic balls that are in there in the blue and red, and it's so beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? This one was one of my ideas. This one. Except it's not. So if you saw the video where we made the table lamp out of the outdoor lamp, sometimes the OG goes rogue. This was one of them. He went a little rogue on me. So I had seen a gas pump like this that had an Edison bulb that looked like it was dripping out of the end of the nozzle, which is what I was like, yeah, I want to make one. I had two gas pump handles. Why do you have two gas pump handles, Stacy? I don't know. What, you don't? They just show up at my house. Things, it came to me, I took it, and this is what happened to it. So when I said let's make a light out of it, he did not see it coming out of the handle. He saw it as it needs to have what looks like a gas pump globe next to it. So when I went to pick it up, I went, oh, well, wasn't what I had in mind at all, but I like it. I like it. I wish it had incorporated the pump handle more than it did. The pump handle just is sort of sitting there right now, but I like it because it's got a theme. And I think that there's going to be a man cave somewhere that will be housing this cute little lamp very soon. He sent me a picture of the other, I gave him the other pump handle and said, okay, now I want you to do what I asked you to do on this one, because I still wanted one with that. He didn't do it. He did one with like a metal shade on the end of the pump, and I hated it. And he had to take it apart. And so the other one remains undone at this point, because it was not good at all. A lot of times I'm okay with when he goes rogue, and sometimes I'm like, that's just not, no. But we've done other things into lamps as well. I'm sure all of you have been to a sale or two where they've had a few of these coffee pot, teapot lamps. Pretty much anything can be made into a lamp, but there's something, forgot my props. Hold on one second, I want to show you something. I'm back. Okay, so this was a pedestal plate. So this is what happened to it. Oh, we mourned that day. It was a fantastic atomic mid-century glass on there. And then it had the wonderful yellow roses around it. It was so heartbreaking. And then I was like, I hate to throw things away. The glass was unsalvageable. Somebody said make a mosaic. I don't have that talent. And a clear mosaic just didn't speak to me. So I sat and pondered what I'm going to do with this. Well, look at this. Do you see it? It's got a hole in it. It's got a hole in it. So what do you think we could do with that? Oh, I think it could be a lamp. I think it would be a really cute base for a lamp. And I have collected over time. What haven't I collected over time? However, whenever I see lamp kits, lamp parts, lamp pieces, I buy them because they get incorporated. So I have like a box full of glass, vintage glass pieces and separators from old table lamps. I don't even know where it came from, to be honest with you. Don't tell my husband, but I found it in a box in the basement when I was moving our Christmas stuff. And I found an entire box. They were in a bag inside a box, and I moved this box and I heard like this glass sound, and I was like, oh, are these ornaments? And I opened it up and like treasure. It was like treasure. It's like a whole box of these really great pieces and parts from these old lamps. And I was like, what kind of monster Frankenstein lamp can we make from that? Well, I think part of them are going on here, because they have the separators, so the little metal pieces that would go in between, and I've got a lot of little like glass pieces, so I think I can build this into a pretty incredible lamp, but we will see. That remains to be seen. We've also made hanging lamps, so here's one of the ones the OG did. I had the idea of the yoke and the pulley. This was a takeoff on his dining room light, so he created a dining room light for my mother. She wanted hanging jars, mason jars. She was totally into the whole mason jar craze, and he created a chandelier from the mason jars. So I had a second yoke light and pulley, and he did the jars on it, and I really like the way this turned out. I think this would be so cute over a buffet. I'm hoping there was somebody who's seriously considering that piece right now. I'm hoping it finds a new home real quick, because I am really tired of moving this around. I take the jars off. I've already broke one. Luckily, I can replace them. I have plenty of jars, but I'm so sick of breaking jars. I'm like, oh, that's got to find a new home. But he's done a lot of different pieces. So just think about things that you have that you want to keep and you're not sure, like things from your childhood or whatever, or what can you make a lamp out of? All it needs to be able to do is drill a hole through it. A stack of baseballs, maybe? How about a stack of golf balls? Or as long as you can drill a hole through it, You can pretty much make a lamp out of anything. So think outside the box. Take something you love and turn it into a lamp. How about a doll? Like creepy doll heads stacked on top of each other, or I have to make one of those for Halloween. All right, this summer, garage sales, looking for creepy baby heads. Gonna make us a creepy baby doll. Oh, we could light up their eyes, like a whole pole of them. Oh, we're gonna have fun. We're gonna make some more really great lamps for the shop. Yeah, find pieces that you love. Look at, oh, excuse the mess. Look at her. Anything you can drill a hole in can become a lamp. So I guess that she's destined to be. Nobody wanted her. They will after this. She's going to become a cute little lamp for somebody's bedroom. Some little princess girl is going to love her. And she's going to become a lamp too. So anything you can drill a hole in can become a lamp. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to comment down below. I want to hear about all your favorite Junkin places. And Friday, there will be another new Junkin video. So thanks for watching, everyone. Happy Junkin. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.